The full unboxing experience for the Google Pixel 6a is here before its launch. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that the Pixel 6a unveiled last month and it is not going to be hitting the shelves until July 28. But it did not stop the leaks and rumors about the device, and right now today we have got the full unboxing of the Pixel 6a coming from a TikTok user Anjis. Basically this unboxing video confirms all the things that are coming inside the box of the device. The first thing you will be noticing in the box will be the device itself, and it's in the charcoal variant. The front of the display is covered with a white sheet which has labels for control ports and in-display fingerprint scanner. You also notice that this is a charcoal variant and it's going to be basically having same design as the Pixel 6 series. Basically the other thing that is included in the package is the USB-C cable and a USB-C adapter. Alongside with that we also see a prominent Google Tensor chipset branding which is joined by a graphical chips illustration. It looks like Google is really want people to know what's so popping the Pixel 6a and remember it every time they open the smartphone box. So guys, unfortunately no charger is going to be coming in the Google Pixel 6a, which is kind of a bad thing from companies, because paying such a high price tag for the device and still not getting a charger, it's kind of a disappointment. And the front of the display is looking similar to the Google Pixel 6, and it's going to be having a 6.1 inch of Full HD plus 60Hz OLED screen protected by Gorilla Glass 3. Now, as you know that the Google Pixel 6 was coming with a different screen size and it was coming with a 90 Hz of refresh rate. So unfortunately, no 120 Hz of refresh rate is going to be having in the Pixel 6a. And the Gorilla Glass 3 protection is still an old protection, and the front is also going to be coming with a punch hole selfie camera of 8 megapixel, and it's coming with an under display fingerprint scanner support. Although we don't know about its performance because the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro were coming with an under display fingerprint scanner support which was worse in performance. And moving forward on towards the back side, we have the same design as the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, and in here we have two camera sensor on the back side, in which the main sensor is going to be 12.2 megapixel and the ultra wide camera will be of 12 megapixel. Unfortunately no 50 megapixel sensor is going to be coming this time for the Pixel 6a. So judging upon this sensor, I think that the performance of the Pixel 6a will be similar to the last year Pixel 5a camera sensor. And as far as the internals are concerned, we are going to see a Tensor chipset, same Tensor chipset that we have seen in the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, which is going to be a good thing to have in such a mid-range category device. And it's coming with only 16GB and 128GB of internal storage. No storage upgrade is here. No other storage option could be available for this particular device. Android 12 will be coming out of the box and it will support up to 3 years of software update as well. As far as the battery capacity, it's coming with a 4400 milliamp of a battery capacity with 18 watt of charging support. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the unboxing of the Pixel 6a? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.